Great day, second grade students and families. It's Mr. Sargent here with your weekly announcements for the week of February 5th through February 9th. And we have a lot to talk about today, so we're going to go ahead and get started. First, I just want to say we had an incredible week last week when we took the iReady testing. We went on a field trip, and ladies and gentlemen, as you can see right here, the field trip was incredible, and we had so much fun. And our class truly represented what it means to be part of GPA. And as you can see from the pictures, we had a great time. So let's talk about what we're going to be doing this week here at GPA. Just so you know, last Friday we sent home the report cards and iReady results from this past round of testing. So make sure you are checking in the book bags for all of that information. This Thursday, February 8th, will be our awards ceremony. K2s begins at 8:30, with grades 3 through 5 will be at 2 o'clock. Middle school will be the following day. So we encourage all of you to come out and definitely help us celebrate our second grade scholars in their success. On February 16th, we have our Black History program, the 50 years of hip hop. This program will be an incredible showcase for all of the talents we have here at GPA. So we encourage all of you to mark your calendar February 16th for this event. The form for spring pictures was also sent home in Friday's folder last week. That date will be February 23rd for anyone that would like to have that date will be February 23rd for any families out there that would like for their child and their scholar to have their picture taken. All right. Also in the folder that was sent home on Friday, you will find the project return form as well as the project return link. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to come back to GPA next year, I would highly suggest that you fill out this link and reserve a spot. From what I hear, we've already got a waiting list for our school, so you all get first pick. And we look forward to having you back next year. And that's it for right now for our GPA news. And as if I missed anything, definitely check out Mr. Dunn's weekly newsletter that he sends on Class Dojo each and every week. So let's talk about what we're going to do in the second grade. Now, this week in spelling, we have week 15 words which have the MP sound or the MP sound at the end of the words. So as we read through this list right here, you will see some of these MP sounding words. Now, we're usually going to find the MP sound at the end. So let's make sure that we look through this list and be able to identify them. All right. The first word is farm. Number 2 is fire. 3 is home. 4 is us. 5 is move. 6 is bump. 7 is stump. 7 is stump. 8 is clump. 9 is stamp. 10 is clamp. Number 11 is camp. Number 12 is pride. 13 is test. 14 event. 15 love. And 16 guess. Now, all the work will be sent home on Monday, and the homework is due by Friday. Now, also in ELA, you're going to be spending some time reading one of my all-time favorite books called Separate is Never Equal. And this is an incredible story, especially as we're learning about the Civil Rights Movement and celebrating Black History Month. Now, this story is a little bit different, but we can see the similarities between Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s March on Washington and this story. So I look forward to hearing the conversations that you have while reading this story. In math, we're going to be working with decomposing numbers, which really all that means is we're going to be dealing with subtraction. Now, we're going to be learning about regrouping as well as when to borrow and when not to borrow. So, as always, you're going to be given work on Monday and work on it through the week, ask some good questions, and turn it in on Friday to Miss Lewis. And finally, in science, we're going to talk about animals. We're going to be talking about vertebrates versus invertebrates. We're going to be talking about the different classifications of animals in the world. We're going to be learning the similarities. We're going to be learning the differences. We're going to be learning so much. And this week And next week, we're going to be doing a couple experiments that, well, let's just say they're not second grade level. They're going to challenge you to learn even more about animals and the word right here, deoxyribonucleic acid. And I cannot wait to teach you these lessons. And that is it for this week. I hope you all have an incredible weekend. You all earned it. Enjoy the weather. Get outside. Get some fresh air. And starting on Monday, get ready to work because, well, we can't wait to have you here. And until the next time I see you, have a good one.